if my words did glow with the gold of sunshine.
There's our yurt.
And my
Yay,
See
yurt.
that? Yay, yurt. Here's our picnic table,
A view.
our wood that somebody left us. This is our front yard. Our neighbors. And our yurt.
Yay, yurt.
And this is our gas grill. This is our backyard. And now we go in the yurt and give the grand tour. It's our bed, sunroof, fan, kitchen. Fireplace. And a shower.
Can't wait to use. 3 days without showering, we'll do that.
There. Toilet. Clean toilet.
With a seal of approval.
Seal of approval. This place is awesome.
Yeah, it is. Very, very awesome. I like the sunroof.
Mm-hmm.
The wood stove. So awesome.
Oh, we have a microwave.
And a burner. Those
And
are
a
like
to-
pots and
And a
pans.
toaster.
Yes,
And a
wine
coffee
glasses.
maker. And wine glasses.
Nope, nothing in there.
Is there steaks in the freezer?
Oh, look,
Oh,
complimentary
coffee.
tea and coffee. And an ice cube
cubes
tray.
already made.
Wow, look at all these luxuries.
Soap. Wow, we haven't seen this stuff
No,
in days.
even when we were in Vegas, they didn't give us this kind of
They
stuff.
didn't.
Wow. All right.
It's gonna be so easy to make coffee tomorrow morning.
We are so psyched. So psyched. Oh, just an average day. Hanging out.
What is this,
Going for
Tuesday?
a little. Yeah, some idle Tuesday.
Is this Tuesday?
It's on my lunch break. Went for a little drive.
Surprises around every corner. So here we are at El Capitan on the Merced River. Stop E4 on the bus line, purple line. So here's the thing, El Capitan, huge. There are people that you can't even see in this video up there on the side of that overhang, climbing up the whole mountain face.
25 of them.
There's like a whole bunch of them, and you can't even see them.
We can barely see them.
You can see their little helmets flicker in the light, but that's about it. I'll put it in perspective here. Here's Jeanette. Little old Jeanette. Big mountain.
And we're like maybe a half mile
Yeah.
from the base of that wall.
Little people. Absolutely amazing.
were played on the harp, unstrung. Would you hear my voice come through the music? Would you hold it near as it were your own? It's a hand-me-down. The thoughts are broken. Perhaps they're better left unsung. I don't know. Don't really care. Let there be songs to fill the air. Ripple in still water when there is no pebble tossed, no wind to blow. Reach out your hand. If your cup be empty, if your cup is full, may it be again, let it be known. There is a fountain that was not made by the hands of men. There is a road, no simple highway between the dawn and the dark of night. And if you go,
East that point.
no one may follow.
You gotta go up a little bit.
That path is for your
They're
steps
down below that
alone.
waterfall.
Ripple in still water when there is no pebble tossed, no wind to blow. You choose to lead, must follow. But if you fall alone. If you should stand, then who's to guide you? If I knew the way, I would take you home. La da da da, la da da da, la da da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da da.
Here we go, down the river. Down the river.
My paddling skills are so good.
People on the beach. You're pretty good on your own, really. Oh, where? That's where we came from. Going down the river. You know what would be sweet? If we found like some fish and I could film them under the water.
Yeah.
Alright. To be continued. You're doing good, Ms. Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Snyder. Is there anything else I can do for you today?
Yeah, can you give me a martini?
Yeah. Yeah, it's on the rocks, right?
Yes, a martini on the rocks, please.
Alright. I can go in the sun. Wait, do we need to
Yeah,
get
do
ready?
it. Go in the sun. No, we're good. We're gonna go try and find some.
Is it locked on the side?
Now let's see if we
Well,
filmed any.
Up right here.
Let's see how it
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mom and pa, not the way that I do love you.
Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Man, oh man, you're my best friend. I scream it too, there's nothing there. There ain't nothing that I need.
Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ. Ain't nothing please me more than you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. that day you fell out of my window?
I sure do. You came jumping out after me.
Well, you fell on the concrete and nearly broke your ass, and you were bleeding all over the place, and I rushed you out to the hospital. You remember that?
Yes, I do.
Well, there's something I never told you about that night.
What did you tell me?
While you were sitting in the back seat smoking a cigarette you thought was gonna be your last, I was falling deep, deeply in love with you. And I never told you till just now. Let me go home. Home is whenever I'm with you. Home. Let me go home. Home is when I'm alone with you. Home. Let me come home. Home is wherever.
So here we are at the Tuolumne Grove, viewing our first large sequoia.
These trees are huge.
These trees, they're actually almost fuzzy. These trees are some of the largest living things on Earth. And this
it's
is
gonna
a
go
small
sideways
sequoia.
down the camera.
Come check it out. Kind of fuzzy. You see? It's like a woolly mammoth. Got a little fur.
Woolly.
Alright.
We thought we were looking at big trees.
We thought those
But
were
no.
big trees.
There are some really big trees here.
These are big trees.
I mean, you can get in this tree. Okay, let's go look. There she is in the tree. Look at this thing. Huge. This one's dead. Dead as a doornail. Because somebody wanted to walk through it.
Whoa, okay, there we go. Don't know if you can see this. This is the base of a fallen sequoia. These are the roots. This tree was over 3,000 years old and fell in 1982. What? Yeah, you can go all the way through it. Woo! Oh, almost fell. And it is basically hollow all the way through. I'm probably not gonna go all the way here because I'm claustrophobic. Here we are. But there you go. After a 1.5 mile jog down the hill at the Merced Grove of big trees, sequoia. And they are, again, very big trees Why don't you walk over there and show them how big they are?
There's a deer.
Okay. Give it a hug. It's a big tree. Now over here, behind this tree, there's a little deer. Hey, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. A little bit more brave than our deer at home. Must be no hunting in here.